Welcome to Day 2, Vowel Harmony and Consonant Assimilation. Now that you know how to read and write the Turkish alphabet, the second most important thing you will learn in this lesson is called vowel harmony. I've mentioned before that Turkish is a phonetical language. In order to correctly form grammatical structures in Turkish, you need to understand how the vowel harmony in Turkish works. A small reminder, you can download the cheat sheet for this day by visiting the cheat sheets link in the video description below. You can also do practice exercises for the vowel harmony and consonant assimilation by becoming a supporter of Turkish Eholic. Visit the Support Turkish Eholic link on the video description below for more information. Exercise page link is also in the video description. Let me know what you think about today's topic by writing a comment below. Have a good lesson. Almost all words in Turkish can be changed by adding suffixes, these certain letters, added at the end of a word. Vowel harmony is used to decide which vowels should be used when adding suffixes. There are two types of vowel harmony. Internal vowel harmony, which is the harmony of the vowels inside a word, and external vowel harmony, which is used for suffixes. For internal vowel harmony, a word can either have all front vowels or all back vowels in Turkish. A word can't have both a back and a front vowel inside it. The only words that have both front and back vowels are borrowed words from other languages. Internal vowel harmony isn't something that you should be worried about, but you should put your focus on external harmony. It is important that you master external vowel harmony as soon as possible. In Turkish, we add suffixes to a word to change it from a noun to an adjective or an adverb. We can also change a noun to a verb with suffixes. When you add a suffix to a word, you need to look at the last vowel of the word before you attach the suffix. First, let's remember the 8 vowels in the Turkish alphabet. Look at these examples and see how words change with the addition of certain suffixes. Now I'll read some nouns and I'll also read how they become adjectives, then adjectives and adverbs. Hız, hızlı. Güneş, güneşli. Öfke, öfkeli. Zeki, zekice. Yavaş, yavaşça. Ucuz, ucuzca. One way to turn a noun into an adjective is by adding the suffix li to the end of a noun. If you want to turn an adjective into an adverb, the suffix ca is added to the end of an adjective. As you can see from the above examples, if the last vowel of the word is a front vowel, the suffix will also need to have a front vowel inside it. Similarly, if the last vowel of the word is a back vowel, suffix also has to have a back vowel in it. Let's look at back and front vowel harmony in more detail. If the last vowel of a word has a back vowel, the suffix can only have back vowels inside it. Here are some words with back vowels inside them. Let's try to add different types of suffixes to the end of these words. The lar suffix adds plural meaning to a noun. Arkadaş, arkadaşlar. Hayvan, hayvanlar. Araba, arabalar. Kadın, kadınlar. The cha, ca, and ce suffix turns an adjective into an adverb of manner. Yavaş, yavaşça, hızlı, hızlıca. The reason we have cha, ja difference is because of consonant mutation. This rule applies to almost all the suffixes that you will see later. If the last vowel of a word has a front vowel, the suffix can only have front vowels inside them. Here are some words with back vowels inside them. Let's try to add different types of suffixes to the end of these words. The ucu, ücü, ici suffix turns verbs into nouns. Sür, sürücü. Böl, bölücü. Ez, ezici. The suz, süz suffix turns nouns into adjectives. Süt, sütsüz. Gürültü, gürültüsüz. Öğretmen, öğretmensiz. There are some exceptions to vowel harmony that I will explain in the later lessons. You needn't worry about them for now. Now let's look at the topic of consonant mutation. In Turkish, there are certain consonants that need to be replaced with other letters when suffixes are added to them. We call this phenomena consonant mutation or consonant assimilation. Both can be used. When we add a suffix to these words that end with the below consonants, they change. The p sound changes to a b, the ç changes to a c, the t changes to a d, and the k sound changes to either soft g or the g sound. Let's see some examples of consonant assimilation when we add the accusative suffix, the I, U, Ü, which you will learn later on in this course. Ayşe'nin kitabı. Arabanın rengi. Arkadaşımın çocuğu. Zeynep'in sözlüğü. Words that aren't affected by consonant mutation are single-syllable words, borrowed words, and proper nouns, which are people, things, or place names.